Okay guys, so substitution method is a little bit more complicated, but it's just pay attention, it'll be fine. Notice how substitution, we're going to replace a letter with another letter. To do this, guys, you need one of the variables, the letter, to be alone. So right now our x is alone, so we can actually just do the following. We can just, isn't x equal to all of this? So if x is the same thing as saying negative y plus 3, we could just substitute negative y plus 3 for x. Let me show you what I mean. So we have 3 parentheses. We're going to plug in, instead of an x, we're going to plug in negative y plus 3. Because like you said, it's the same thing. Keep writing the equation. That's a plus y equals negative 3. And now let's just solve for y's, because that's all we have. Let's do distributive property. 3 times negative y is negative 3y plus 9 plus y equals negative 3. Now, can I combine like terms? Yep, we have a negative 3y plus y. Remember, there's always a 1 in front of the y. So what's negative 3 plus 1? You got it. It's negative 2y plus 9 equals negative 3. What's the next step, guys? Let's leave the y alone. Minus 9, negative 2y equals negative 12. And the last step, divide by negative 2. So what is my y, guys? My y is equal to negative divided by negative is positive what? Positive 6. We found our y. Now, how do we find our x? Simple. You can choose whichever one you want to plug it in. It doesn't matter. But I'm going to go with the second one because, look, the x is already by itself. So if we have x equals, what do we say the y is? Positive 6. But remember, the equation had a negative parentheses 6 plus 3. Plus 3. Here we go. What's a negative 1 times 6? That's a positive, no, negative 6 plus 3. So my x has to be equal to negative 3. So if I were to write it as a point, my point would be negative 3, positive 6. And that's how you find this system of equations using substitution.